Wine can be complicated, but it can also be very simple. Wine's like, it's fruit. You pick anything overripe, there's nothing as terrible as overripe bananas.
Yeah.
Yeah, you pick it overripe, and that flavor will translate into the wine.
Yes.
So if it's overripe, you get this jammy sort of cooked character in the wine. And if it's unripe, it's any green fruit for that matter, it's not particularly great. It's going to be sort of lean and acidic. The combination of your planting material and the site you plant, that's probably the most important decision. You get that right, you're 90% there. And then your picking date. If you get those two decisions right, then winemaking is a breeze. If you get it wrong, so we've made mistakes.
I'm admiring the view. They're looking at other things. So what we did this morning was we walked and took samples of the Merlot vineyards. We're right in this area here. We took samples from this vineyard here, and this vineyard, and then this one here. This is where we're at the top. And what they did was they were looking and trying to break it up north and south when they were standing up on the truck just for harvesting. They don't want to pick everything all at once, so they want to pick it different days and balance out their schedule. We brought the samples back to the lab, did a pH and acidity check, and this vineyard right here is ready to pick tomorrow. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to come bright and early tomorrow morning, pick that vineyard there. All right, here we go. Everybody's smiling, enjoying. You got the beautiful weather. So I was trying to race them, but Jennifer over here, pushed me out of the way. And Oma here, look at Oma, man. I'm still on my first one here. She's over here.
We pick with quite big teams. We pick with teams up to 80, even 90 in some years. People in the vineyard, massive teams, but it's very important for me from a quality point of view. I'd rather pick slower, but make sure that the stuff that arrives at the cellar must be picture perfect.